Our project is called Zoologists at Work. It is designed to be a research project for first and second graders. Our team members are myself, Kirsten Fries, and Chantel White. So what is it? This project is for a self-contained special education first and second grade class with 10 learners. The goal of the project is for students to conduct a research project in partners using YouTube Kids dictation tool to research a topic and then create a presentation for others using Puppet EDU or ABC Storymaker. What will they do? First, students will learn what a zoologist is by watching a video and becoming familiar with related vocabulary, such as the word research. Next, they will learn the difference between a fact and an opinion in order to prepare them to conduct their research, including completing sorting activities on a smartboard. Students will then choose a partner. They will brainstorm a few animals they might want to research and choose one for their project. You can see our brainstorming graphic organizer up here in the corner. They will also need to decide if they are doing a Puppet EDU presentation or a Storymaker book from the samples that will be shown in class. Once approved, they will begin research using the YouTube Kids dictation tool and document their findings on their research map, shown here. Next, once they fill out their research map, students will use that to write 3 complete sentences on their Facts About worksheet to include in their project. At this point, student groups will conference with the teacher to review the final project rubric, discuss their plans for their project, and review their fact sheet before moving forward. After meeting with the teacher, it's time to start working on the final project. Students can choose to either use Puppet EDU or Storymaker to put together their presentations. To the right, I have an example of a Storymaker book. Storymaker is a digital bookmaking website. Students can type in their sentences and then the book can be printed and bound and stored in the classroom library. They can even use digital illustrations to illustrate their book. Here we have an example of an EDU presentation, another choice students have for a final project. This is our pilot student, which is a 7-year-old student.
Narwhals has a long involutus that extends from the upper left.
After students have finished their book or finished recording their Puppet EDU presentation, they will peer review in another group in the class using the rubric pictured to the right. Students will also self-assess their project using the same rubric. Once self-evaluation and peer reviews have been completed, students can edit or revise their project to reflect any feedback. On presentation day, the teacher will model presentation voice and volume and audience expectations. Students will present their projects to the class. You could even invite families to presentation day. Puppet EDU can be shared directly with families via classroom communication apps or a link. Books can be taken home to be shared with family and then brought back to be stored in the classroom library. You could also print 2 copies, one to keep at school and one to send home to share with families permanently. And that wraps up our project. Thanks for watching.